Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. In this video, I will talk about the movements of gold and silver, what is going to be the next possible outcome of them, and also I will talk about the reasons of why gold is increasing its value so fast. I'm going to show you actually the charts from these both metals, so don't miss anything of this channel. So without any further, let's get into it. Well, here we are in gold's chart, but before analyzing the chart, I would like to tell you that gold is in the highest point of value, as you should probably know. I mean, it is the second time that gold reaches this value in the entire history. So most people, or well, let's say traders, expect that the price of gold are going to decrease, right? Because it is in a good resistance that was forming just one time. It was in 2011. So now we are in 2020 and this price has touched or reached again this resistance. All of these things, the increasing in the value in gold and the current crisis in the world has made people to feel uncomfortable, and when people feel like that, they usually don't take good chance. Well, the point of this is that for the devaluation of the dollar currency and the current virus, gold has gained so much value, increasing and reaching the resistance of 1900, and actually right now the price is even higher, as you can see here. But we don't know exactly what is going to happen in the real world. We are going to keep the basis of trading, but now we are going to keep an eye on the fundamental analysis too. So basically any kind of views, right? So by now let's analyze the gold and silver markets. Alright, here we are, the chart. So basically, let's see, here we are in gold. First thing that I will do is analyze gold. So basically here we have the current movement all the way up, as you can see. Let's go to 1 week. Sorry for all of these lines, but it's the way that usually I work. So let's see. As you can see, here we have the last higher point that it was here in the 2011. It was this one, right? So basically, it was like 1, 2, 3 weeks that the price just holding in the highest point. So after that, just started to change off the direction or decreasing the value. So let's go to here. All of these lines that you can see here in the blue lines are basically the resistance that was made from this day, like this one and this one from this day, and the other ones are just from the last highest point. So let's go into this. For hour, let's see how the price is, the behavior of the price, right? All right, here we are. This was, let me show you, engulfing candle, or we can say also that we can say like twister top, kind of twister top. So you have this weak candle. So basically gold has gained a lot of value, and you can see the highest point for now, for today, was this one. It was basically it was here, yeah, 1945. It was the highest point. So I'm going to put another here. I know that looks like a little so full of lines. So basically I usually put a lot of lines because I usually do scalping. So that's why. So let's go to 1 hour. How the price is. Oh yeah, kind of double top here. This I'm going to clean it. So let's see. You can see here bearish engulfing candle, retracement, bearish engulfing candle, retracement, bearish engulfing candle, and then the price, as you can see here, are almost 3 p.m. So the market is going to be like in consolidation for like 3 hours, let's say. So let's go to see this another one. So basically the thing is that the price maybe is going to keep some couple of days in this range, basically going to form in this range. So like the last one it took 3 weeks basically, but we don't know how it's going to take this in this highest point. But basically we can trade in this range. We can buy, sell in scalping. So let's go to 15 minutes. How is the price looking? Alright, let's see. I'm going to clean this arrow. So yeah, you can see perfectly well here. 1, 2, 3. Then the price what? Here we are our support. Our resistance is over here. So basically, middle of line. Yeah. Basically, the price of gold, the thing that I'm going, let me clean this out. Sorry. Okay, basically the point of the price of gold is going to keep going in this range. So basically, the only thing that you have to do to be pretty comfortable to the trade is to see another beautiful candlestick pattern in 4 hours. All right. So like another engulfing candle here, it will be a perfect combination where the price can be actually change of the direction. So basically, in my experience, this keep going for a little hours, a little days here, or even weeks, like 3 weeks, like the last time. But we don't actually know, right? So we have to keep so aware. We have to be so aware about the news, about what is happening with the virus, and also what is happening with the USA, right? So actually everything happened and everything affects to this metal. So our actual outcome, it would be basically the price touch these supports and make lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Let's say possible outcome from here, price goes again, touch this resistance, come back, another lower high, come back, touch this support, lower high, break, retest, break, retest, and then the price just changes some of the direction. But we actually don't know what is going to happen, right? So I always like to say, you have to be so aware of the currently behavior of the market. So this is gold. I'm going to keep you posted about the news and everything about it. So just stay tuned. All right, let's go to silver. In silver, let's make a little bit of this. Alright, yeah, it's close to this. Let's go for 4 hour. Let's make it higher. So basically it's the same thing, right? We are currently in uptrend. These two metals have just increased in their value. So basically, here we are, our last support. That's resistance. So let's go. Okay. 1 hour. Let's see. 1 hour. Alright, yeah, price just higher. Here basically it can happen two things. Let's go to 50 minutes to see the candles formation. So yeah, just look at this. This beautiful pattern, it's so beautiful. So basically the price is going to break this resistance that is formed from this pattern. So basically it's going to break, retest, and then the price is going to keep going up, right? Let's go to 1 hour to make it higher. Our target is that silver is going to touch or reach this resistance, right? This resistance. So basically, maybe it takes some weeks or maybe a month. We don't know actually. We don't know what is happening in the next week, in the next month, or in the next hour. So you have to be so aware about candlestick patterns, the news, and what is happening with this virus and all of the economics. So basically this setup about this week. So for me, actually I'm going to wait until see this support me getting higher. Alright, so I'm going to wait until see that this resistance is broken, then I retest, and I'm going to put an entry when I just find a good candlestick pattern, right? We are entering, my target will be the resistance, this one resistance. My stop loss will be like from here, yeah, so 400 and 2000, okay. So basically this is the setup of the outcome of this beautiful metal. So I hope that you can understand very well this and you can get it. And my advice, it will be just to find good candlestick patterns and be so aware of about the news, right? Because we don't know actually what is going to happen in the next weeks, in the next hours, or in the next months, right? So, or days. So basically just stay so aware of the currently movements, and also just enter in the trade when you feel so comfortable with yourself, right? With your strategy. So basically this is all for this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also comment in the section below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope that you can enjoy this beautiful day, this beautiful week, and let's get the gains. See you soon. Rage on that beat, going crazy.